Consider me the ampersand, or cry me a lullaby, pulled from the minute stalks of husk, lettered ink phrases where seconds are squeezed out from the day. It speaks to me like the sun. My love, of course, another dose of forgotten feeling through my ventricle pulse, your magic look like twine wrapped around my lips, spoken to me in a kiss in sensible confusion. Fit the grooves of your fingertips upon the handlebars of my waist and caress the chest of my crease the crease right above my neck, the scar left under my caress my chest, the crease right above my cheek, the scar left under my neck by the angry workings of time times two, intensity and magnitude, taken to steal away the relative joy, luggage packed within minds and sentences I refuse to speak. Don't tell me you love me, my dear, when I will never know how to feel it. For synthetic is the only texture I felt. However, allow me to express this confusion, that whatever's left of my sentence made semblance of sanity, which whatever that is left. I just added that in there, my bad. My messy situation, ship sailing together, waves lapping upon another shoreline, reflected a sliver of blue from the sky's ceiling. I see the lifetimes of 1,000 sailors in your eyes, the tremble from your fingertips kissing mine. And this, whatever we define this to be, make me believe other than what I know, you know, I know that I am too uneven for poetry. And so I write it to you every day.